2,000 years later.
I found a love for me.